The page curl effect is a simple effect which you can use in your projects to depict transition. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to achieve this page curl effect in your project. So the first thing we want to do is to disable this. Once I disable that, I'll enable the picture that I'm going to be using for this purpose. And now I'm going to select my rectangular shape tool, and I'll just click and create a rectangle around this edge here like this. And then the next thing I want to do is to go to my rectangle properties up here, and I change the fill to a gradient. And once that gradient is selected, I want to make sure that it's a black to white gradient. So when I select it like that, I can modify it again by clicking on reverse. So I'll reverse the gradient to make it transition from white to black and not from black to white, because if it transitions from black to white, the effect is not going to be perfect. So I'll just flip it like this, so it transitions from white to black. Okay, once that is done, I'll select both layers like this, and I'll create a group from them. Then I convert them to a smart object. And once that smart object is created, I'll just press Ctrl Command T on my keyboard to transform, and I select the warp. So when I choose warp, I just need to click here and now move like this. So when I move like that, I just modify this a little. Just modify these sliders to have a realistic look. So you just have to keep playing with this. I think something about this point is perfect. So once that is done, you just have to deselect the warp tool, and that is it. Your effect is done. So all you have to do now is just to maybe activate the background to make it look more interesting. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please do well to support me by liking and subscribing to my channel so that you can get updated when I release my next video.